Hello dear students, today we'll learn measuring angles by using protractor. What means of protractor? Protractor is a tool used to measure angles. We use protractor for measuring angles, okay? So for example we have this angle. Look how we measure this angle by using protractor, okay? And the units of measuring angle is called degrees. So look, this figure is a protractor, okay? So the units of the measuring angle is called degree, okay? We use degree, the measuring of angles. You can use protractor to measure angle ABC, okay? For example, the first step, we have this activity. The first step, you need to place the center of the vertex protractor on the vertex of the angle, center of the protractor. So look, at the center we have a point. You need to put down this point on the vertex of the angles. This is a vertex of the angles, so you need to put down the middle point or the center point of the protractor on the vertex of the angles. The second step, you need to line up the center point, and the zero marks on the protractor with one ray of the angles. So we have one ray with the angles. We need to draw this line, okay? After that, read the measure of the angles where the other rays pass through the scales, okay? So when this ray passes through which scale, you need to read the numbers at here directly. You know the measure of the angles. Now look, this protractor, okay? This is a middle point. This is a middle point, okay? This one is a middle point, okay? Now we have 180 degree. Sorry, this one is better. This is middle point. This is middle point, okay? Now this is 0. When we draw a line, we start from the 0, okay? One line is every time on the 0. This is 0, look. And the others, but on which scale, which number the angles is that one. For example, so there's a protractor and you can start from here 0, 10, 20, 30 until 180, or you can start from here, look, 0, 10 until 180. And when you have a line pass through the middle, this is 19 right angles. So when you have a line that connected these two lines, means this 19 because this pass over 119, okay? Now for example I have this angle, okay? The first step, what do you need to draw? For example, I need to put down the middle center or middle point or the center of the protractor on the vertex of this. Look, for example, I have this one. I put it down, and after that, look, this is the vertex of the angles. For example, it passed through this one. Okay, for example, I have this angle. Look, I have angle A. This is called B. And this is C. I have angle ABC, okay? How I measure this angle, look. the first line, okay, on the 0, and put down the vertex of the angles on the middle of the protractor. This is a middle center. After that, this line, look at this line, this one, okay, pass through which number? Look, because we count inside 0, we have this inside or this outside 0. So because we count this inside 0, we need to measure inside numbers, okay? So it passed through what? Through 40, yeah? Means our angle is equal to 40 degrees, means A, sorry, A, B, C angle is the measure of this angle is equal to what? Equal to pass through 40, means 40. The measure of angle is what? Degree. This the symbol of degree, 40 degree. Okay, after that you can try this at home. You repeat it using protractor. Okay, how I use it. So second activity, I show them when we have, you can use protractor to draw right angles. Right angles is 19 degree. Okay, the second activity, how we draw it. Again, I show them. Again, I'll show them. How we draw. Look, the first step, what you need to do, you need to draw a line from center point of the protractor and pass through 0. Okay, after that, look, because right angle is 19 degree, so where is 19 degree? Look, I'll show you. This 19 degree, yeah, means we need to draw a line passes through 19 degrees. So I will draw from, look, from this point I start. From center point, I'll draw a line that pass through 19. So I draw this angle that is 19 degrees. Okay, so I can write, so look, this is right angle. This is right angle. Okay, mean this 19 degrees. And it show you the steps. Look, this first step, this activity you can repeat at home. Draw a label, right, place the center point on the protractor of the end points of the rise. So we draw it. Look, we put down the center points. Then line up the rise with 0. Look, we line it up with 0. It passed through 0 on the protractor. The second step, find 90. So we found it. It's at here, 19 degree. Mark it on the protractor scale. Mark the point on your paper at 19. So we mark it. You can put down a point. After that, you can remove the protractor, and by ruler you can draw a line. Okay, like this. So draw the second array. Okay, you need to use array. And the third step, sorry, draw the ray connecting to the end point of your 19 marks. Label 1 point on this ray. So look, we label it, we draw a line, this line directly you got 19, and this marks means 19 degrees. Okay, I show them. I hope all of them understand very well, and now they can use protractor. And I gave them homeworks for this. Look, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 11. Okay, this is your homework, and I hope all of them understand very good. Have a nice day.